Yo, what's going on, boys? All right, let me move the car so we can get started with today's video. All right, boys, check it out. Today we got a blow valve. Okay, it's not a blow valve, diverter valve, whatever. 008 Forge. You feel me? It's already ready to go, boys. I'm gonna just get straight to it. Nice little sticker. Always a bonus. I mean, I know it's not really, you don't really need one, a lot of people say, but I mean, it looks cool. Hopefully I get a little bit of noise. I know it's not gonna be too loud. It's not a blow valve. Relax, everybody chill. But I will have a little bit more noise, and I will be going stage 2, and it's recommended to have one of these. So you know what, fuck it, might as well. So let's just put this on real quick. We'll hear it out. Right, I don't even want to do a sound test, bro. You can't hear shit. All you can hear is the exhaust, so don't even ask for a sound test right now. I'll show you guys a sound test after. Wait, actually before, oh my god, I can't reach. This has to do with next video, boys. I got new parts though. I didn't just spray parts I already have. I got new parts and I did spray them. They came out cool. Next video I'll show you guys the finished product. But it's some good stuff, boys. This is some good stuff. Bruh. This one's already off, bro. All right, boys, I'm gonna definitely need to clean this engine bay for sure, just so it's not all dusty. But look, take this out, replace it, easy, you're done. You feel me? Like, that's it. And look, I guess I already have the good clamps. Shout out to the previous owner, because before you would have the clamps you have to break. So these, get some of these, boys. These are way better. Out with the old, in with the new, boys. This one, I got the silver one because the black, I'm going for like a silver and black look. Silver accidents, what the fuck? Silver accents and then some black around, you feel me? But look, boys, it's just straight up a replacement, bruh. Sheesh. All right, let me hook this all up and get it all tight and nice, and then I'll give you guys the sound sample. Easy as that. Yo, this looks so much cleaner. I mean, boys, don't worry, I'm gonna be doing a lot to the engine. I want to make it look as nice as I can, but for now, let's hear what this sounds like, boys. Make sure everything's tight, everything's good, it's not coming off. Yup, everything's good, dude. It was so much faster because I already had these fucking these clamps that I could just screw on, so I got my time safe with that. All right, boys, let's see. I don't even think we'll be able to hear, bruh. Not even, bro. It's all good though. Once we get a freaking intake and some other little mods going. Whoa, look at that Cobra, bro. That shit's clean, bro. Oh my god, bro. That shit felt fast. Yeah, that was a good little pull. Boys, I don't know if I can't really tell a difference from the sound, you know, but it's all a process to go stage 2 eventually. They recommend to get an upgraded fucking recirculation valve. A lot of people say you don't even need it, even with a stage 2 probably, but I mean, fuck it, it looks cool. And I know that's kind of ricey to say, but fuck it, boys, fuck it. It's all about the looks. Oh no, I'm just fucking with y'all, but it looks better. Can't really hear. Maybe if I get an intake. Yeah, I don't know. You can't really hear it. It's all good though, dude. That shit pulled way harder than normal, bruh. Yeah, I can't hear. I like it. Normally I would hear right there. Maybe with an intake I'll be able to hear it. I don't know. We'll see though. If you guys know any carb legal in California intakes, let me know. I'd want to get one of those, but if there's not one, then I'm just gonna have to get an intake regardless, you feel me? But it's because right now in the area I live in, dude, there's so many sideshows and the police is going crazy on everybody's builds. I'm not saying my build's all crazy, I'm gonna get reffed and shit, but like, to prevent it, might as well, you feel me? overall, it's a cool little valve, bro. It's a cool little recirculation valve that has, bro. Mainly got it for the future, stage 2. You guys already know. I'm kind of excited to go stage 2, bro. I want to feel the power, even though it's not gonna be all crazy either, but it's gonna be better than the power I make right now. Overall, boys, it's pretty good. Don't expect too much noise. It's not a blow-off valve. I know there's still gonna be some people probably saying something, but you'll probably expect some noises eventually after some more upgrades. Oh shit! One head steering is not the way to go, boys. Shit, boys. Alright, boys, overall it's cool, you know what I mean? Like, I know right now I won't be able to hear it blow, probably even when I get an intake and all that. Yo, actually, nah, you will. Like, you probably will be able to hear a little bit more. But overall, I don't know why the car feels a little bit, it feels good because I don't really be gassing like that. So, and it just be me hype right now on a new part, you feel me? Like, it's all good, boys. Eventually, like, I know y'all probably was expecting to hear some fucking some some blow-off noises. I was too. I thought I knew it wasn't gonna be loud, but I thought I was at least be able to hear like a little, you know what I mean? But I mean, it's all good. It's all a process. We'll go stage 2 soon, and then eventually I want to be able to get like just way more horsepower, boys. I'm trying to make like at least what's a good number? Like at least want like 400, boys, you feel me? So that's the end goal. We'll see how we get there. We'll see when we get there. I'm gonna be doing all types of mods. Stay with me, boys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.